Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali Adar Rahman and I am a freelance hyperrealism artist. I'm also a national record holder and national sketching champion of Pakistan. I've been making so many useful tutorials here on YouTube since September 2017. Actually, I'm a self-taught artist, so my goal is to share my work experience and self-developed techniques with you guys. I've been teaching several offline courses in some art colleges and I have so many things to share with you all. Let me show you some of the most featured artworks of mine since 2016. This is one of my finest masterpieces and it's entitled as A Little Bliss. It's also a record-winning artwork. And this one is the biggest artwork I've ever made. And it's about 7 feet in length. I have so many major and minor goals in my life and the most important one is making a world record in hyper-realistic sketching. And I will share all of my work experience in this journey with you guys. Please explore my channel, I bet you will find much more interesting and helpful content there. I also have a Patreon account, so you can support me on Patreon and win some exciting rewards there. Here is the link to my Patreon website. I need your help to promote my channel and build a bigger and stronger community together. Hit this bell icon so you won't miss any future updates from my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.